Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my channel. We are happy to see you today. When I say we, I mean Bucky is my special guest today. You may have even seen me buy this shirt on one of my vlogs here when this past summer I got to travel to Texas for the very first time and see a little place known as Waco, Texas. Make sure you go check out that travel vlog. So if you've never been here before, I am a daily vlogger, which means you want to check back every single day. Here we do lots of DIYs, we get into a little paint therapy, we get creative. Guys, I went on a Goodwill haul. I titled this vlog, am I crazy? Am I brilliant? You will be the judge of that. I had an idea. One person's junk is another person's treasure. Ta-da! Oh yeah, ain't she beautiful? And you're like, Sonia, that's like a block of wood. Hello, it's a block of wood you put your knives into. And I don't have one, but two, and hello, $1 make me holla. Got this one for 99 cents, and $1.99. I'm pretty happy with that, because I think it's gonna make a big impact on my space here at my creative studio, and I wanna share with you guys how I repurpose these, but also how I paint them. So anybody else out there just feel like the smallest change that you do to a space mean big things towards how you feel about it later. When you paint your spice rack, all of a sudden you want to organize your spices, you buy a brand new soap holder or a completely new soap pump, and the next thing you know, you're cleaning off your vanity and it is completely motivated you to clean your bathroom. You paint a couple of picture frames, you put them on the wall, and before you know it, you want to vacuum that space. Do you feel that when you paint something in a space or you make a small change, something good, it just makes you feel like you want to clean the entire room? Ever feel like that? That's why we're not going to overlook these suckers. Right now, ask yourself, do you have a knife block sitting on your counter? Your home is your happy space. It should be beautiful too. And this is a quick flip. Now for this project today, I am pulling out Miss Petunia. She's that cute little girl monkey right there, doing a handstand because she's totally spontaneous. Or Milk Paint loves to chip and flake, give crocodile skin, fall off, stay on. We don't know what it's gonna do, but it's fun. And if you love the chippy look, you love playing with Miss Petunia. The other reason I'm choosing to use Miss Petunia, AKA our Milk Paint today, is because these objects go onto our kitchen counter. They hold our food utensils. When I paint anything that's going to hold objects like forks and knives or things that I'm going to eat off of, I like to use our all-natural, non-toxic Milk Paint. What do I clean with? Always Crud Cutter right here. You can find it on our website at junkmonkeypaint.com. So since I have two, I'm going to choose two fun colors to work with today. Hello, Irish Eyes. It actually says Sonia's Stash right there, so don't touch my stash. If you want your own, you can get it on the website, of course, and we have 20 fun Milk Paint colors. The second color I'm going to pull from my stash is a color called Storm Blue. So that should give you a good indication of the color. Now, our Milk Paint comes in a powder form. You just have to mix equal parts room temperature water with your paint pigment. Miss Petunia at work. All that chipping and cracking. Right, enough picking it with our fingers. Let's go ahead, grab a sand block, and truly distress. So now we are ready to seal the deal. We are ready to go ahead and put a sealer on here to be able to protect our work. I am gonna grab our all natural, keeping with the all natural line, our Monkey Shine. It's an all natural beeswax oil finish. Guys, I love how these turned out. Do you love the colors or what? So yes, at this point, you could put them on your kitchen counter, you could put your knives into them, and you've got yourself a gorgeous, interesting, pretty little knife block. You could stencil on them as well, add something, add your monogram, add your favorite pattern. But then I got to thinking, because we all need storage, and I'm thinking, I could use this to store my art supplies. Specifically, my palette knives. My palette knives. Yeah, enough said. So am I brilliant or just a little bit crazy? But this is gonna look super cute here in my art studio. And if you have a paintbrush that's bigger than those little smaller paintbrushes, girl, this is a wooden block. Get out your drill and give yourself some deeper holes and you can slide anything you want in there. Yeah, just put my wax brush in too. Thank you guys for watching my vlog today. Remember, I will be back again tomorrow. Make sure you hit the bell so you never miss another upload. And yeah, I'll be joining you in the comments here below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.